Cosmos is a website that allows you to explore multiple different sort of images and palettes, UIs as well, UXs too, and ultimately it's kind of like a more sort of niche version of Pinterest. If this is your first time here, my name is Jay, and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I think this is a cool platform just because I think it can be an interesting place to find inspiration for images you want to generate. That's at least how I've been using it, right? And of course, like I always mention, prompt libraries will be the future of intellectual property for all businesses, and it also is important to mention that the same kind of goes for images and vibes and illustrations and any sort of visual art. Like, I think this is pretty cool. For example, could use this for any sort of fashion inspirations as well. I also like to think that style is what you say before you speak. So if you're someone who likes presenting yourself in a way so people understand what you're about before you even have to speak, then this can be a great way to actually get some inspiration for your style and also generate some images. And when working in fashion, this can be a cool way for inspiration. And then you can take these images, upload them into an image generation model, and actually then just tweak them to however you see fit. But I think Cosmos is cool because it's a bit more niche. You get some more interesting sort of images here. I've also just tailored it to what I wanted to see. So there was a quick onboarding asking me the kind of things I'm into in terms of like images and visuals. So this is pretty cool as well. And what you can do is you can actually reverse engineer a particular kind of effect. So as I was mentioning about the concept of prompt libraries for text, what you can do is you're going to upload an image into an image generator or like ChatGPT and say, reverse engineer the aesthetic of this image. Because of course, prompt libraries or aesthetic libraries that are saved via prompts will also be a massive part of intellectual property of businesses in the future. So definitely check out Cosmos if you think it would be useful for you. I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out. I think it's a cool one, and it could potentially provide a lot of value to anyone who's in any sort of visual space or domain.